Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Borrowell, a popular credit score monitoring and improvement platform. But before we dive into the details, let me ask you a question. Have you ever been denied a loan or credit card because of your credit score? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with low credit scores, which can make it difficult to get approved for financial products or even rent an apartment. That's where Borrowell comes in. Borrowell is a Canadian company that offers a free credit score and report monitoring service. They also provide personalized tips and tools to help you improve your score. But does Borrowell really work? Can it help you improve your credit score and get approved for better financial products? That's what we're going to find out in this video. I've been using Borrowell for the past few months, and I've been really impressed with the results. My credit score has gone up significantly, and I've been able to get approved for a few new credit cards. So, if you're looking to improve your credit score, I highly recommend giving Borrowell a try. In this video, I'm going to share my personal experience with Borrowell and tell you how it has helped me improve my credit score. I'll also discuss some of the features and benefits of Borrowell, as well as some of the things you need to know before signing up. So, let's get started. What is Borrowell? Borrowell is a Canadian company that offers a free credit score and report monitoring service. They also provide personalized tips and tools to help you improve your score. Borrowell is not a credit repair company. They don't offer any services that can magically boost your credit score overnight. Instead, they provide you with the information and tools you need to improve your score on your own. How does Borrowell work? When you sign up for Borrowell, you'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to access your free credit score and report. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. The higher your score, the more likely you are one to be approved for credit. Borrowell uses data from Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus in Canada, to calculate your score. Equifax collects information about your credit history, such as your payment history, credit utilization ratio, and the number of inquiries on your credit report. Once you have your credit score, Borrowell will provide you with a personalized dashboard that shows you how your score compares to the average Canadian score. They will also give you a list of tips on how to improve your score. Some of the tips that Borrowell provides include paying your bills on time and in full, keeping your credit utilization ratio low, not applying for too many new credit cards, checking your credit report regularly. What are the benefits of using Borrowell? There are a number of benefits to using Borrowell. Here are a few of the most important. Free credit score and report monitoring. Borrowell offers a free credit score and report monitoring service. This means that you can track your score and see how it changes over time. Personalized tips and tools. Borrowell provides you with personalized tips and tools to help you improve your score. These tips are based on your individual credit history and financial situation. Easy to use. Borrowell is a very easy-to-use platform. You can access your credit score and report from anywhere, at any time. Affordable. Borrowell offers a free basic plan, and there are also paid plans available for those who want more features. What are the drawbacks of using Borrowell? There are a few drawbacks to using Borrowell. Here are a few of the most important. Limited number of credit bureaus. Borrowell only uses data from Equifax. This means that you won't be able to see your credit score from the other 2 major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Experian. No credit repair services. Borrowell doesn't offer any credit repair services. This means that you'll need to improve your score on your own. Paid plans are required for some features. Some of the more advanced features of Borrowell, such as credit monitoring and identity theft protection, are only available with paid plans. Is Borrowell worth it? Overall, I think that Borrowell is a great tool for anyone who wants to improve their credit score. It is a comprehensive and easy-to-use platform that provides you with all the information and tools you need to get started. If you're serious about improving your credit score, I highly recommend giving Borrowell a try. How can I sign up for Borrowell? Signing up for Borrowell is easy. Just go to their website and click on the Get Started button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information about yourself, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be able to access your free credit score and report. Borrowell is a great tool for anyone who wants to improve their credit score. It is a comprehensive and easy-to-use platform that provides you with all the information and tools you need to get started. If you're serious about improving your credit score, I highly recommend giving Borrowell a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.